What you gonna do with it?
Oh, Fiona.
If you didn't want to tear it up, it'd have been ripped open the mouth.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you say,
Yeah, I'm
Grandpa?
talking about.
Kaya dami
I'm
mo
talking
ako.
Open it, baby.
What do I do with it?
If she doesn't open it soon, it's gonna go in the mouth.
Take some more.
Yeah, rip it open.
But
There you go. Oh, what's inside?
Good job, baby girl.
Peekaboo.
Good job. Good job. Yep, good job. She's like, wait, I'm supposed to rip this open?
Yeah. Yo, let me tear up something?
Yeah, what am I doing wrong?
it's okay that I can tear that up. Usually I think they're going to say no.
Oh. Keep going, Fiona.
Good job.
Hmm.
There you
Still
go.
a
Get
little
into
hard.
it.
See, these people use too much tape.
Yeah, there is a lot of tape.
There you go. Now you get it.
Oh, there's something inside, baby.
There you go. To see and say poo.
Okay, get this out of the way.
Mm-hmm. Smart girl.
Oh.
I like give it to Lance, see if she
Fiona,
wanted it.
Fiona. Yeah, look up. Hold
There
it.
you go.
Hold it up.
Oh.
Gotcha.
See, Uncle Evan, how do you make this work?
Oh, that is cute. I used to have that for kids.
What?
They play the little music. Carry the stroller.
Fiona, give it to Uncle Evan. Evan will
Strollers
help
that
you
you know,
fix
carrying
it.
around.
No, she's got it.
Okay, well, Diane have something else.
Oh.
Is it from the you, Diane?
Okay, wait.
Oh, oh.
Fiona, you
All
got
All
to
done.
listen.
Yeah, that's enough of that.
Yeah.
There's another
Okay,
one.
I
This
can't
is
do
from
anything
Uncle
with it. It's
Evan.
all in a package.
Yeah.
Wait, where's that phone? Hi.
Oh,
Oh,
this is
sweet
new present.
cutie.
You looking for this in new present?
Yeah, open it up for her.
Oh, I was kind of looking for
there
one
she
of these.
Well, don't put that up there.
Don't
She'll,
see.
She's
Don't
just
put it
distracted.
down. She'll start messing with that now. She won't open the other one.
Too late.
Let me see. Okay.
Okay, sit on the floor, baby.
What's that,
Yeah, why don't you,
baby?
why don't you go sit
Oh,
on
you
the
got some
baby?
glasses. Good job. Good job.
Together.
You little thief.
Evan can help her.
Yeah.
That's from
Yeah,
Uncle
really
Evan. There's
quick.
doggies on
She
there.
said, but let me have it.
There, you're getting more practice. Gotta get practice for your birthday, huh?
Yeah. Huh?
Keep going.
Yeah, am I doing a good job?
Good job, Fiona.
Yeah, good job.
Oh.
Here, have that. Thank you.
Open. Come on. Fiona, look.
There you go.
Good job.
What's that, baby?
Now you get
Get that out of the way.
Yay!
She's like, hey,
Yeah, it's a pretty hard work.
what am I going to do with this? Okay. Good job.
It's stuck on.
Yeah, you're a smart little girl. Oops.
Now which way?
There you go. Now you get somewhere.
Oh, that's cute.
Fiona! Look what Uncle Evan got you. What is that, baby?
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, that's cute.
What is it, Evan?
Alphabet things, like the wooden letters that spin.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, this is
On
gonna
a
be your
book.
favorite.
Yeah.
She likes books.
Oh, she's
Oh,
gonna
she
love
loves
this.
books. Books are the best thing in the whole world.
Yeah.
Good job, baby girl.
No.
Oh, she will have more
That's
stuff.
cool.
Diane's are waiting.
Nah.
What is that? Diana?
Nah.
Yeah, she's good for now.
She's going to be providing her birthday card and she can just rip it up really quick.
This is
She
from
already got it.
Damn.
Diane and Uncle Evan.
There you go.
Okay, well, let's stop it.
You can see the 3+ years.
Starting to get good at this now.
Yeah.
She's doing pretty good.
Hey, baby. There's more. Oh.
Good job.
Yay, Fiona. You gotta get more, baby. You gotta get more. Whoa.
Get out of here.
Whoa. You see where all the paper goes right behind her butt.
Uh-huh.
She said, I don't want to see this.
Yeah, I don't need this stuff.
Here, baby.
Oh yeah, she's getting better at it.
Whoa.
Step out of my way.
Okay, what's that? It's got buttons, doesn't it?
From Diane.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hi, kids. Welcome to the
Like
Lego
what?
Alphabet Apple.
Holy crap.
Let's learn about the animals.
What?
Press any button to start.
She's like, I'm trying to press the button.
The whale starts with Q.
Q. Oh, going over here. Oh, nope, going back over here.
Is there more?
The elephant.
Oh, that's
The
all.
kangaroo
Oh, that's it.
Nice.
likes to hop.
Diane, give me some more.
Forgot about this one. Ugh.
Elephant. Alligator.
Lucky
Starts
girl.
with A.
No, you can do that.
Get all kinds of stuff.
Thank you, Diane. Who's this
For
from?
Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah.
Goodbye. I hope you
Oh, it's got a bow.
Give me that.
Oh. What is that, baby?
That doesn't go there.
Oh, we bought that. That's from the Grandma, Grandpa too.
Yeah, they're all.
What's going on?
Fiona, what's this, baby? What's this? Whoa.
Oh yeah, we getting good at this.
Oh.
Yeah, this works. I'll tear something open. I get something.
Holy cow, what's that, baby? Mommy hasn't seen these toys before. Buttons?
supposed to look like that? You got tip of wire, I told you last, I kind of forgot.
Yeah.
Don't remember what you got?
I know I got the tools, it's this.
Oh, there's 2 things in there. Hi. What? Uh-oh.
My camera.
Close up.
Fiona, look, baby.
He said, let me see.
Oh,
Oh.
I love this present.
So,
Ah! Oh, that's funny.
Oh, there you go.
baby.
Oh, so pretty. It's a baby. Yeah.
Why does she have a phone?
Why not?
Somebody put
We
it there.
need some scissors to get all
Put it
this
on
stuff
front, stick it
open.
off, put it on
Push
front,
it,
don't
baby.
know
Push the
there.
button.
Push the button, baby girl. Oh.
Yeah, look how pretty.
Oh, good job. Mouth. Tag.
Tag.
Yeah, the best part, the tag.
I'll bring you some scissors. I think so
Yeah.
we start opening some stuff.
Here, I get it, I get it.
Okay. Oh, thanks, Diane. Fiona, look, more bows, baby.
Get all